Right now we're just fishing these small little pools. Mike is trying, we keep getting bites, but they're very small trout. And so it's not easy to catch them. As you can see, he's got one right here. And they're tiny. We just kind of wanted to try it out. And I think we're going to move further up this creek. And hopefully we can find some larger ones that we can take back to camp with us and cook later.
We're trying to find spots that are enticing, you know, like pools like this, overhangs and ledges and whatnot. So this looks like a fun little spot to try out. The water's collecting, it's deep and slow moving, so we'll see what we can pull out of the water here. Perfect set too, right? And it's like an upper mouth. That's it.
Awesome. Perfect.
I think so. Patience and perseverance pays off. Yeah, buddy. Dude. Nice. He yanked it. I was like, what? That's way too big for this little spot.
I know, I saw your pole.
Sorry, buddy. That's not bad.
Well guys, we're back at our camp. We got everything set up. We got the teepee tent. Right now Mike just cleaned the fish, which we're going to cook tonight. And we're about to head out and see if we can get a cottontail. Just a beautiful night. It is going to be cold. We brought a heater. We may have a small campfire. And really, we don't have a plan. It's just going to be for fun, just a fun trip. Really happy you guys were able to come along with us. We're just going to situate a few things here at camp, and then we'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
So it's my first time in a teepee. I think this is really cool. We have stove cooking stuff, everything we need to at least not try to, you know, cook it in the fire, which is tough. So we got chairs and the heater, which will help because apparently it's gonna be really cold tonight.
You want your bunny?
The bunny's like pissing itself all over. First tick. He's not there now, but that's what they do to you. So I felt the pain. We were walking. I looked down and I see these little legs and a butt just kicking out my side, and I just grabbed it and yanked it out. And now it hurts.
Yeah, we gotta be careful.
Or at least check yourself. I mean, there's really not much you can do to hide from a tick. You just gotta routinely check yourself. In this case, I felt it, and I knew something was not right. So.
Should actually bring that cooler over. Well, guys, we're gonna eat like kings tonight. We got a fire going. We're just trying to get some coals. Marley is taking a nap. We're gonna cook the fish. We're gonna cook the cottontail, and we're gonna have bacon and eggs for breakfast in the morning.
Little sponge of water. Yeah, it's just about done. Dinner time.
Okay, guys, here's the progress. We got probably, I don't know, what do you think, another 15 minutes maybe?
At least. Yeah, it's still pink. That's good, at least.
We got 2 trout and a cottontail bunny. And so I'm going to cut this up, get it on some plates, and we'll eat. About as fresh as you can get it, right?
20 yards from camp.
20 yards from camp. Perfect. Fish is good. We've got a nice fire. We're warm. We got our tent set up. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. We're gonna finish up our dinner. I'm gonna make some coffee. We'll hang out for a little bit, and then we're probably gonna get inside and warm up inside the tent. Hey, cheers, you guys. Here's to a good day.
Yes, sir.
So we started out this morning with fishing. Did pretty good. I think between both of us we got, what, about 9?
Yeah, we should have got 0 apparently, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, the people we talked to said we were lucky we got anything. Especially this time of year where it's really cold. Makes the fishing really difficult, and a lot of those areas that we fished were, you know, very difficult to get to. We had to do a lot of bushwhacking. Maybe you guys were able to see in the video, I'm not sure, but it was nice to at least get 2 that were sizable enough to, you know, be able to cook, but they are very small. Marley, look. Are you sleepy? Are you full of bunny? Well, guys, we had a really good day. It was nice to get out, do some fishing, and then come back, set up camp. And I was really happy we were able to get a cottontail. That was pretty amazing that we were able to get one so quick. We got the buddy heater going. I brought a couple propane tanks. And so that's probably going to keep us warm. It's supposed to get down really low tonight, probably in the high 20s. We're going to hang out here for a little bit, warm up, get to bed, and then we're going to get up in the morning, start a fire, and I think we got, what, eggs and bacon?
Bacon, eggs, and beans, the best.
So we will see you guys in the morning.
best part of waking up.
Hey, good morning, you guys. We're just having our coffee. Mike is cooking bacon, and we're gonna have some eggs. We stayed fairly warm last night. You know, I was watching some reviews, and I wanted to see how long one of those little propane canisters would last. And I was watching this guy's review, and he said, "Oh yeah, it lasts 5 hours." Well, I gotta say that's total bullshit. I think they lasted like about 2.5, 3 hours each. Yeah. And so we went through. We're actually on the 4th one right now in the tent. We just got up, so we had to get up. You had to get up and use the bathroom. Yeah. The heater went out. Thankfully, he was awake, and so we switched it out. A lot of eggs.
It is. Campfire eggs, baby.
Oh my. That's a lot.
Yep. Oh yeah. Breakfast is served.
That looks good. We're just gonna go around with a trash bag, make sure that we cleaned everything up, and everything's looking good so far. I really am glad you guys came along with us. We had fun. It was really nice to do some fishing and hunting yesterday. It's kind of rare that I do both on one trip. We had a lot of fun. I really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll probably see you again next week. We'll talk to you then.